Hello, welcome to the UPSC Freaks channel. Today we will be discussing India-China dispute, which is a burning topic. It is a very important with respect to the UPSC and defense exam. So starting with, as tense standoff between India and Chinese troops in disputed area of Pangong Tso or Pangong Lake and Galwan Valley along the LAC in Ladakh continues, let us see why China claims Aksai Chin, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh as its own territory. Also, we will be understanding the difference between LAC and McMahon line. So, its history can be dated back to 1914 when Tibet was a sovereign state and a boundary agreement between Britain and Tibet was signed at Shimla Accord. The line which was accepted between India and Tibet was McMahon line. As you can see, I am drawing McMahon line. This was accepted as the legal boundary between India and Tibet. Till 1950s, India and China never shared a common boundary. But in 1950s, this happened in 1950. 1950, China occupied Tibet in the name of liberating Tibet. So now Chinese official claimed that Tibet was China's right palm, that it is the right hand of China, and it was China's responsibility to liberate the five fingers defined as Ladakh, Nepal, Sikkim, Bhutan, and Arunachal Pradesh. They rejected the 1940 agreement. They totally rejected the Shimla Accord, saying that Tibet is not a sovereign state and thus has no power to conclude treaties. So, in 1957, now let's move to 1957. In 1957, China entered into Aksai Chin and occupied Aksai Chin and built a road through it. This was followed by 1962 Indo-China War, which was fought on Arunachal Pradesh boundary and Ladakh boundary. China captured Arunachal Pradesh and both Ladakh, but later withdrew its forces after facing international pressure. But China still holded Aksai Chin, that is a part of Kashmir, and this boundary is called line of actual control. On the other hand, the boundary between the India and China in Sikkim or in eastern part of India is still called McMahon line. So now China claims that this boundary dispute can be solved only and only if India returns or India gives Northeast Frontier Agency or Arunachal Pradesh to China so that China can return back Aksai Chin to India. So due to this Chinese policy of five finger, China constantly intruded into Ladakh, Nepal, Sikkim, Bhutan and Arunachal Pradesh. Last year, India changed the status quo or position of Jammu and Kashmir and divided it into Ladakh and Jammu and Kashmir. China condemned this step and said that Ladakh is an integral territory of China and India changing its status is totally unacceptable. But on the other hand, India rejects this claim. So, the recent intrusion in Pangong Lake and in Galwan Valley is a part of the bigger picture. The strategic Galwan Valley is very important, as from Galwan Valley, the road which connects Leh and Daulat Beg Oldie, where an Indian airfield is operated by Indian Air Force. And also, Galwan Valley is very important for Siachen. So, if China captures the Galwan Valley, it can easily cut off, see, as we can see in map here, it can easily cut off the Siachen glaciers, and it can easily connect with the POK part, and thus it can complete its ambitious China Pakistan economic corridor. So that is the reason why China is more interested in Galwan Valley. Thank you for watching the UPSC Freak. Please like and subscribe our page. Thank you.